Problem-solving strategy. Solve a simpler problem. Cassandra's father is making a sandbox. It has the shape of a rectangle with a width of 4 feet and a length of 6 feet. The wood that goes around the sandbox costs $2 for each foot. Will $50 be enough money to pay for the wood? First, we need to understand the problem. You know that the sandbox is 4 feet by 6 feet. The wood costs $2 a foot, and they have $50. We need to find if $50 is enough money. Now let's make a plan. We can use the solve a simpler problem strategy to help solve the problem. It's time to solve the problem. First, to solve a simpler problem, we need to find the perimeter of the sandbox. 2 sides of the sandbox are 4 feet, and the other 2 sides are each 6 feet. If we add up all the sides, our perimeter is 20 feet. Now multiply the perimeter with the cost per foot. 20 times $2 equals $40. The wood will cost $40. $40 is less than $50. So $50 will be enough money to pay for the wood. Finally, check your answer. $40 is less than $50, so the answer is correct.
All right, boys and girls, so today we're going to work on problem solving. It begins on page 831, your math book. Problem solving investigation strategy, solve a simpler problem. Learn the strategy. It takes Jasmine 2 minutes to ride her bike 1 block. How long does it take Jasmine to ride the route shown 3 times? Okay, so it takes Jasmine how many minutes to ride her bike 1 block? It says it here in the problem. Takes Jasmine 2 minutes. Okay. How long will it take her to ride the route 3 times? So if she's going around her neighborhood, this is the route. How long will it take her to do it 3 times? Why can't I scroll down? Okay, there we go. I will solve a simpler problem to find the answer. So first we're going to find the perimeter. The perimeter is the distance around the figure. So this figure happens to be her block. So we're going to add to find the perimeter. We're going to add 2 blocks, which is here, 2 blocks, 2 blocks, 2 blocks, 4 blocks. I forgot to add this 4 blocks here. I should have started here. 4 blocks. So I'll do it again. 4 blocks, 2 blocks, 2 blocks, 2 blocks, 2 blocks, and 4 blocks. Okay? So when we add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4, we get 16. Total number of blocks Jasmine rides 1 time around. Jasmine rides 16 plus 16 plus 16 when she rides 3 times around, because that's what it says in the problem. It says it takes her 2 minutes to ride her bike 1 block. How long does it take Jasmine to ride the route that is shown 3 times? So to go all the way around this route 3 times, how long? Okay, so now we're going to multiply. It takes 48 blocks when she rides 3 times around. 2 minutes for each block. That means 2 times 48, which equals 96 minutes. So it takes Jasmine 96 minutes to ride 3 times around. Does your answer make sense? Explain. Okay. Think about everything that we just did and look at the problem. If it takes her 2 minutes to ride 1 block, so that's 2 minutes, 2 minutes, because that's 2 blocks. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. 2 minutes, 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 2 minutes. And then 3 times. We have to do that 3 different times. Think about that. Okay, let's look at page 832. Practice the strategy. Let's read the problem. Look at the figure. It says, Hayden and his friends want to draw a court on the playground to play Foursquare. The sides of each small square are 4 feet. What is the perimeter of the entire court? So remember, perimeter is the distance around a figure. So if they want the perimeter of the entire court, you must add the sum of all sides. But there's also an easier way. Instead of adding the sum of all sides, you could also do what? I'm not going to say because we've talked about this in our math Zoom yesterday, which a few people attended, but I also talked about it in the video that I posted yesterday for math. But there's a simpler way than adding 4 plus 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 4. So think about the facts that you know. The facts that you know are here inside of the word problem. Okay? Think about the facts you know. I know it's a terrible looking figure. What do you need to find? Again, what do you need to find? That's unpacking the problem. We do that all the time. Okay, how will you solve the problem? What steps will you take to solve the problem? That's your plan. And then solve. Use this space to show your work to solve the problem. And then check your work. Check your answer. Is it reasonable? Does it make sense? Okay. And then you're going to do page 833. And I'm going to post the answers from yesterday also. And also, I think last week, because I don't think no one answered me in the video, but I don't think I posted the answers from last week. So I still want you to correct your work. Let's just look at this first problem. Clarissa has 4 pictures that are each the size of the one shown. So they're each 5 by 3. That means 5, 3, 5, 3. Okay. What will the perimeter of the rectangle form if the 4 pictures are laid end to end? So if they're all laid all the way across like this, what would be the perimeter of the whole figure? Okay. The whole figure, not just this one square. And you'll also do the homework pages, which are pages, just make sure this is not, all the way through page 836 today. Okay, and then I'm going to give you the answers. Yesterday was 825. Make sure you're correcting. If I'm going too fast, just pause the video. Make sure you're correcting your work. If you have any questions, I'm on Zoom every single day, except Fridays now. Every single day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, from 1 to 1:30. I'll answer any of your questions that you have. The first part that we do usually is math. And then afterwards, you may stay on and we can do any other problems. Again, if I'm going too fast, just pause the video. Okay, and then this is just what we just went over. So I'm going to turn the answers off. All right, boys and girls, you guys have your math assignment for today.